fuck? Where the fuck were you, dude? We're getting worried.
A ver, otra vez.
Nothing to discuss more.
I bought us first class tickets so I didn't have to sit out in the heat. Diego's first time in Cozumel. Said he wanted to go. Don't want to wreck into you. Look my helmet. Ready to fall off.
Llegamos.
Hey, made it to Mr. Sancho.
Sí. We made it. Oh my gosh.
¡Se logró!
Diego, you scared the hell out of me when you were like that. Gee, I thought you were going to.
Es que pinche chancla, güey.
Seen you guys on a woo like that. I was like, oh no!
Que los vio por atrás de la mochila.
No insurance!
No mames, güey, no.
The only good thing is these
Soy
can't,
sagaz, no.
these can't be that expensive. We really need to get a video of Diego on his scooter. That shit was freaking hysterical. I kept telling him we're gonna rent a scooter in Cozumel, but I think he thought it was the scooter that you push with your feet. Not a motorized scooter. Am I in the way? Am I in the way, Diego?
What?
Am I in the way?
Mine away?
Am I in the way? Yes. I am in the way. I told Diego we're renting scooters and he thought I meant those little kind on two wheels that you push with your feet. Wrong. Gasoline powered scooters is what I rented. But he's never been on one. And he's trying to put this girl in the back. I couldn't let it happen. I had to let him practice for a while, but I think he's got it down. He's making me really nervous with the whole scooter thing. And I took out the insurance because, I don't know, first time riders usually always get into a wreck, but I don't want to curse them.
Look at that. All roasted.
I'm rusted. Langosta. Me llamo Langosta. Help me. I'm burning up.
Fue un desmadre. Fue un viaje. Entonces vamos a ir de regreso.
You too.
Yeah. Felt like nobody understood me. Yeah. Product of the city, kept it solid like it should be. Yeah. Chances I ain't never take, we never saw what it could be. No way, no way. Yeah. Felt like nobody understood me. Yeah. Product of the city, kept it solid like it should be.
Ese también está cabrón, hice lo más que pude, ¿sí me entiendes? Como grabar lo más que pude de fotos, lo más...
Sí, en general.
Es un desmadre, güey. Porque también la foto es como loco.
A ver, otra vez.
Sí, la verdad sí fue una experiencia igual, pues otro pedo.
Break down my walls, but I will rise again, 'cause I